What's up everyone, Arif here, showing you quickly today how to add more sub-channels to your existing YouTube channel. Now, you don't have to make a new email account to do this, you just have to have your one existing account. We're going to start by coming up to our profile area here in the top right. We're going to scroll down to settings. Under settings here, we're going to see add or manage your channels. We're just going to click that. And this will bring you to a little grid area. You can see I have a bunch of other channels here, Little Rex Gaming, 2015. I'm going to add a new channel. And we're just going to call the brand name, we're going to call it Little Rex Cooking. Hit create link. And once that's done creating the new channel, there you go. You now have it. You can upload all your banners and everything. And that is really it. Now, if we go back to our settings here really quickly, and we go to add or manage channels, and we go to add channel, you can see here that you can learn more about channels and brand accounts here. And if we do another one, you can see that you can merge it to a brand account. Those are other things for other options, but if you're just doing a personal account, just go with this method and you will be fine. But there you guys have it, a very quick tutorial on how to add more sub channels to your existing one. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you have requests for other videos, leave them in the comment box down below. I'm always open for new content ideas. Guys, thanks so much, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.